Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another informative and useful video. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be telling you about side loading apps on iPhone in 17.4 and how it is work. So guys, let's start our video without wasting any time. So first of all guys, what you need to do, you have to just simply open setting, tap on general, tap your software update and update your device on iOS 17.4. So after updating your device, it is important to note that side loading on iOS 17.4 is currently limited to users in the European Union due to regulations. It's also important to be cautious and only downloaded apps from trusted sources to avoid security risk. How to use side loading on iOS 17.4. So first of all guys, you can find side loaded apps from third party app store or through direct download links from the developer websites. Ensure the app store has a good reputation before downloading anything. The second, you will need a special configuration profile to install the app, which might involve using a third-party app management tool. Follow the specific instruction for the tool you are using to install the profile and the app itself. So guys, remember it, side loading bypasses Apple's security measures. So be extra cautious about the apps you install. Side-loaded apps may also lack update or bug fixes and could potentially harm your device. So guys, that's it for today. I hope this video helps you. If you like the video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel as well.